Hey there everyone, today I'm showing you a video about this Xbox 360 with the Aurora installed. It has a total of 1116 games, as you can see. But in this video I'm just gonna show you all the Xbox 360 games in this Xbox. So I'm gonna choose 360 games only. So as you can see, it has 401 Xbox 360 games installed. So I'm gonna start with this game, with the FIFA World Cup 2014. I'm gonna show you all the games. 400 games, my friends, and it still has rooms to install more games. If you want to see the second part of this Xbox to show you the homebrew and the arcade Xbox 360 games, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I'm gonna show you all the Xbox 360 games really quick. I don't want to make this video too long. So if you wanna see this video in slow motion, you can do that on YouTube. As you can see, most of the games have artwork, which is automatically downloaded from Aurora. That's the dashboard I'm using right now. But you can also use another dashboard known as, I think it's a free dashboard or something like that. I forgot the name of the other dashboard, but this is the most popular one. As is now, I'm on 134 games, 36, 37. You can see a bunch of games, and it comes with two hard drives, two external hard drives, which have a total space of 2 terabytes each of the hard drives. One of them has 146 gigabytes free of space for more games. The other ones have around 200 gigabytes. I'm already on 227 games. A bunch of games, my friends. Getting a little bit tired of holding my phone to record all the games. But as you can see, most of the popular games are there. Even Rise of the Tomb Raider. That was an exclusive Tomb Raider that came out for the Xbox 360 only. Didn't came out for the PlayStation 3, but then it came out for the PlayStation 4. I'm already on 352 games. And that's it, we're back to FIFA 2014. If you like this video or want to see more about this Xbox 360, let me know in the comments below. See you in my next video.